Hi, boys and girls. Today in math, you will be talking a lot about the letter 8 in your math workbook. So I thought maybe we'd just look at it for a few minutes. What I've done today is I have gathered up my number 10 counting frame. Because when I think of the number 8, if I were to put it in a 10 frame, I would put how many on the top row? 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom. That's just the way I always think about the number 8 as a 10 frame, because it's kind of like my fingers. 5 on one hand, 3 on the other. 5 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Now sometimes I even turn my 10 frame. And look at that. One row has 5 and the other row has 3. I kind of like to think about it in that way. Okay? So if I told you to draw 10 dots, I think it would be easy to think about a 10 frame, even if you don't make one. You could put 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Right? Or if I said, let's draw it horizontally, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one column and 3 on the other, right? So let's say we're going to do some subtraction, and we're going to talk about 8. Well, you know where the 8 would go, right? Because the 8 is the whole number. And what if I said that I wanted you to take away some dots? Let's say I tell you to take away 3 dots. 3 would go here. What's the number that goes with 3 to make 8? Well, we're going to take away 3, aren't we? 1, 2, 3. What would it leave? That leaves you with the 5. Exactly. And if you were to write that equation, it would be 8. What did we do? Take away 3 equals, how many were left? 5. Let's do another one together, okay? Going to erase the board, except I'm going to leave that 8 up there. So if I were to draw the 8 dots, let's not stick it anymore. Let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom, because 5 and 3 make 8. But let's not do it that way this time. Let's say that we're going to have 8, which we do, and we're going to take away 4. We don't have a whole row of 4, but you know what? I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away 4. And what will that leave you? It equals 4. You're right. And 4 will go here. You can do it that way. So all of the questions today are going to be about the number 8. This is what the paper looks like. Put an X on 3 dots. That's what I would do too. I would put the X on the bottom 3. And then you have to fill it in. It's going to be 8 take away. What did we take away? 3 equals, that's right, 5. So it's 3 and 5. Then down here they want you to put an X on 5 dots. Do you see a group of 5 right away? I do. I would just X those out. How many are going to be left? 3. Now down here they want you to put an X on some of the dots. Don't do 5 or 3. Do something different. And on the back, they want you to draw the 8 dots and put an X on 1. That's going to be like 8 take away 1. 1. What's the other number going to be? I think you can do this. I think you're going to need a mom or a dad to help you read the equations. But if it says to draw the dots, try to draw them like they're in a 10 frame. You don't have to make the boxes anymore. You kind of have that in your brain. I think you're all set with it. This is going to make some of you think pretty hard, okay? But I think you can do it. So be brave. If you get stuck on parts of it, do the parts you can do. Do the parts Mom and Dad can help you with. And on the other parts, don't worry, we'll get there. Have a good day.